YouTube is an excellent platform for promoting DIY and crafting related content. To grow your YouTube channel, consider the following tips. Create video content. Produce video content related to your DIY and crafting projects and show your viewer how you complete them. This will inspire and motivate them to complete their own projects. Pay attention to SEO. Keep SEO in mind while creating videos, using keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags. This will increase visibility for your videos on search engines and help grow your channel. Use social media. Promote your YouTube channel through social media accounts, keeping viewer up to date with new videos. This will attract more viewer to your channel and help it grow. Collaborate with others. Collaborate with popular YouTubers in your niche and share your channel with their viewer. This will provide more information about your channel to potential viewer, leading to growth of the channel. Use call to action. Encourage viewer to like, comment on, and share your videos by including call to action in them. This will increase sharing of the videos by the audience, leading to growth of the channel. By implementing these tips, you can promote DIY and crafting related content on YouTube while growing a successful channel.